This is something very interesting. When they're installing these display kitchens, they're actually building these walls, these built-in walls around it, using these MDF boards, which makes it as precise as it gets. Of course, working very clean with these Festools. And this is the reason that these showroom kitchens fit perfectly. Of course, German fitters, as they're called, most precise, precision, highest quality of installation in the world. I'm sure if you have an entire home project, we can work it out to have some of these German installation teams fly over and do the same.